Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube and the YouTube comments at the same time. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. The next thing you want to do, you want to head to your own profile and then click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you're in the settings. Now you want to click on General. When you scroll down, you will find a section that is called App Language. When you click on App Language, as you can see currently it stays on English, right? You will be forward to the actual language on your own phone. So the language on your own phone will match with the language on the apps that you're using. Same thing with the theme. Currently I have a dark theme on my phone, so this will have the same dark theme on all the apps that I'm using. So now you can see that the last option as a preferred language over here is English. For you to be able to change it, all you gotta do is to click languages, and here you can scroll down and you can find the language that you're interested. Very simple, very easy. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.